Mother dicks.
Gingerbread train kit. More like fingerhead.
Brain dicks.
Ew.
Jingle bell rock, jingle bell swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. The jingle bell hop has just begun. Jingle bell time. Jingle
Is this thing on?
Hey internet, what's going on?
How's it hanging?
So, since Christmas is...
Wait. I planned this. What time is it? Looks like it's Christmas time. I put on my watch just for that.
We'll try it again.
It's Christmas time! Doing real good.
So today I'm here with my... What are you? So today I'm here with my friend Lena.
Hello everybody.
And we're going to do this. We're gonna make a gingerbread train. It's easy to assemble.
New pre-made icing with tip. You know what else is like?
Pre-circumcision. And we're gonna get started.
Ooh!
Step 1. Icing preparation. Remove pre-made icing from kit. Knead icing pouch for 60 seconds to a soft texture. Ready? Knead. So, while I need a boyfriend. So anyway, while I massage the icing into a nice submissive state, Lena's gonna get it started. Your train kit includes cookie pieces to build a caboose.
I need scissors at this point. Andre, would you be a dear?
Scissors for my penis.
You know what I mean?
Scissors.
Circumcision.
Unless you're in Europe.
You don't do it in Europe?
No? No, a lot of uncut penises in Europe.
Yum!
This is
good.
This is going different. Okay, preparing the caboose. Lay the four walls of this car on the table. What are you?
Here are pieces. Now we break them.
Firmly grasp. We did it! Ooh, a little piece fell out. Okay, you know what? Okay, we're just gonna make it. We're gonna fail.
Can we at least have the thing as an example?
A floor.
What?
What is...
No, piece fell. I think this is a bat.
Snip, snip. Alright, yeah, you hold. I snip. I broke the scissors.
My mom's gonna beat me.
Happy Christmas.
Guys, I'm here alone. I'm here without him, baby.
Yeah, it's coming out. No, this icing is really good. Yay!
Yay!
Kaboom! Decorated the top with little balls that fell on the floor. Just take the wheel, take it from my hands. So now we've got a caboose. No. Ooh.
I'm gonna do a little bit of it.
Oh no! I am icing my gingerbread train because my aunt is taking all of my presents. All of my presents.
I'm sweating. We're gonna watch Frozen tonight.
Frozen piece.
Oh, teeny tiny things. Teeny tiny.
This is a disaster.
It's beautiful.
Oh my god, look! We have a train. So these like get stacked. Hey.
Take a picture.